Hi, this is Jeff from FloridaSunseeker.com. Today I'm going to attempt to show you one of our 35 watt light installations. This is into a pool. You can probably see from this picture it's roughly 30 feet from end to end. And right now this light is on the slow fade, where it's going to slowly fade between all of the colors. In this example, we've used one of the Nicheless lights. This pool had a spa size light in it, so you're somewhat limited in terms of the amount of surface area that you can put into these lights. And so what we did was we installed a 35 watt Nicheless over the existing small 4-inch niche hole that was existing into the pool. And in this example here, this is our violet. The next color, it should fade into the blue. Here is the blue. I believe green would be next. And on down the line. Now there's 16 total colors. These are some of the 7 solids, and then there's 9 different color shows. This is taken during the night. I'm not sure how well it's going to turn out, but I wanted to give people an idea of sort of how this works. Thanks, and have a great day.